Royal G's. What is going on, guys? How's it going? I have a new toy that I'm going to be unboxing today. I'm not going to show you guys the whole unboxing because it's not really that big of a deal. Like the chair, as you guys can see, holding up nicely. If you guys would like a nice chair that is worth the money, I say get the GT racing chair. But there's something in this box, and if you can guess what it is, drop it in the comment section below and I might do something for you. To those that might already know, you're excluded, but something that's going to go right here, and I know I already gave a big hint of what it is, but if you can guess specifically which one that it might be, I might do something for you. So go ahead, drop it, go ahead. But yeah, it's this baby right here. So go check the intro out and we'll be right back.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
So guys, this is a big purchase that will serve a lot of meaning to not only this channel but my personal life, because this is something that is meant for the future. And if you guessed an iMac, you are correct. So don't be cheating. We're gonna open this. Yeah, guys, I've honestly been wanting a new computer, and I've been shopping around because I want to have some more fire edits, and not only edits, but work purposes or creativity purposes. I can have something that's gonna, be worth it, and this is definitely going to be worth it. And you guys will definitely see the benefits from it. And I hope you all enjoy. Yeah. Oh my God. It was supposed to be here yesterday, and I was debating if I should even do this video today or tomorrow, because it was originally supposed to arrive on the 15th of June, and then it got bumped up to the 11th of June, and then they said, oh, it's going to be here a little bit earlier than what you thought. It was supposed to be here yesterday, but it came here as of today, which is fine. But I like to do my videos early in the day, that way I have the most energy and I get the most juices flowing through my head for video ideas and edits. But nonetheless, this video is not going to be that long anyways, so there's that. Take a look at this. Oh my gosh, this thing is. Whew. See me rendering videos, editing videos, creating any other art from here on out on this. So excited for this. Y'all don't even know the half of it. Right, right. Okay. Zoom this on. Okay. This one. Come on. Nice little keyboard. That would have been bad. Ooh, that feels nice. It's just my hand is like the whole thing, but this should be good. So we'll see. So this is what the setup looks like. Coming along pretty well, slowly but surely. So this is it, guys. Alright guys, so there you have it. There's today's video. Thank you for watching the whole video. It's not much. I just wanted to be a little quick short video because it's just, you know, my computers. But there will be more videos soon to come. I guarantee it. I promise it. You will have some more interesting videos for sure. It should be happening next week. It's gonna be a little trip. That's all I'm gonna say. So no spoilers. It's gonna be very fun. It's gonna be with some friends and all that. So it's gonna be good. But remember to always have a royal day. It's been your boy King Johnny V, and I'm out. Peace.